Customizing an image generator has never been easier with our custom model feature. Let's say you have a set of generated images you're really liking. You can train them to be a model. Add the images from your generation feed and then select the images on your canvas and right-click to train generated images from your canvas, and also don't forget to name your model. Next, type in your prompt. In this case, I am using the prompt elegant glass flower and of course, selecting the model I just created. Wow! I can really see the similar aesthetics between my training images and my generated custom model images. Now, let's see how this same prompt, same model will look like without adding my custom model to the mix. Here, you can see the difference between my generated images with my custom model on and without. Let's repeat the process again, but this time for portraits, and uploading images rather than selecting generated ones. For this process, upload a set of images in the Custom Model tool, and again, for the best results, we recommend using at least 10 images to train your custom model. Next, type in your prompt. In this case, I am using the prompt Double Exposure Portrait and of course, selecting the model I just created from the component dropdown. Look at these results! Once more, I am going to see the difference between selecting a custom model and not doing so. And I must say, I am really loving how the custom model images came out. Whether it's a set of product images you want to pose in new settings or generated images you want to hone in on, our custom model tool can personalize your workflow and unlock new visual directions while preserving your specific aesthetic or product. Happy creating!